Fiona. I'm going to explain to you in this short video what aseptic sampling is. Aseptic sampling is a technique used to prevent contamination by your sampling method. Aseptic sampling involves the use of sterile sampling implements and containers. Your sampling technique is where the lot or the sample is contacted only by the sampling implement or the container. So for example, you wear gloves if you're taking the sample. You use a sterile container. Therefore, your hand doesn't touch the sample. Your hand won't get anywhere near the product because you're wearing gloves. So there are some examples of things you could do in your sampling technique. Samples collected using aseptic technique, and this is the most important thing to remember, will permit testimony that the bacteriological findings accurately reflects the condition of the lot at the time of sampling. So in other words, when you use your a good sampling technique, when you're using aseptic sampling technique, you do it in a good hygienic way. Therefore, when you do your lab micro testing on that particular component, your results are true. They're correct. That's what that statement is saying. So you've done your sterile sampling technique. You've utilized aseptic technique also. Therefore, you as the sampler have not introduced any other bacteria into the product that's under investigation. So your results in the lab are now true to that product. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to our channel for similar content.